Hi, good evening everyone. I am Jasmine Ibanez, and this is our daily devotion. And our topic for today is, paano kung hindi totoo ang impyerno? Conditional immortality. So it says here on Matthew 25:46, then they will go away to eternal punishment, but the righteous to eternal life. So, yung verse na yun, it definitely talks about two different futures after death. So, first is yung eternal life for good people and eternal punishment for those who do wrong. So, some people believe that this eternal punishment means a place of unending suffering, like hell. But others believe that it means simply ceasing to exist, like falling asleep and never waking up. So, yung idea na yon, it is actually called conditional immortality. And sinasuggest noon that only those who believe in God and follow His teachings will experience the one called eternal life. So, those who don't will simply cease to exist. So, if we knew today that today was our last day, we might actually spend more time with our loved ones, say thank you to people, and try to fix any mistakes that we've been made. And we might also share our beliefs with others and encourage them to learn more about God. And to those who don't know God, we could share our own story of faith and how it has helped us. We could also explain the importance of believing in God and following His teachings. So, what do we need to apply in our life? So, we need to prepare for the worst. We need to pray for the lost. We need to preach at all costs. Whatever we do, whatever we think, we should always share the gospel of the Lord, even if it's just a simple verse each day. So, aside from reading it ourselves, we should also share it to other people, especially to those people na malapit sa atin or our loved ones. And that is our topic, paano kung hindi totoo ang impyerno. Have a good day and bye for now.